Okay, thank you. And shall we all rise up for our closing prayer? And let's thank God for using our Sister Rolanda to share the Word of God this morning. And hopefully, as a Christian, we are taught na lahat tayo ay isang modelo. At alam ko din naman na ito yung goal ng bawat isa sa atin, na maging modelo man lang sa loob ng ating mga pamilya, sa loob ng church where we belong, in the community where we belong, and in our surrounding. Kaya magpasalamat tayo